Welcome guys, like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Here in that tutorial friends, I would try and that draw options on the pictures. Here I would go on that shape option. So friends, I have to choose that one shape to draw it on the image, and here we are going to draw it. Now we could fill it with different colors and patterns. Here guys, I have to choose that red color. Now friends, I am going to fill it with that one color. So guys, here it have been filled with another shape which you could watch on it. So friends, here I have to fill it with that one shape. Now on the upper side of it I have to fill it with another color which is looking like that.